Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox look realistic. First, let's dive into lighting. Roblox Studio offers powerful lighting tools. You can enable dynamic shadows and adjust properties like brightness and contrast. Experiment with environmental settings, such as sun rays and fog, to add depth. Crucially, activate the future lighting technology for significantly improved visual realism, making your scenes much more immersive and lifelike. Next, let's focus on textures and materials. High-resolution textures are vital for detailed surfaces, making objects appear more tangible. Roblox supports physically based rendering, or PBR materials. These materials accurately simulate how light interacts with different surfaces. Adjust properties like roughness, metallic, and normal maps to achieve a wide range of realistic appearances, from shiny metals to rough concrete, adding incredible detail. Now, let's explore post-processing effects. These are crucial for that final polish. Add bloom to simulate light scattering, and use color correction to fine-tune the overall mood. Depth of field can create a cinematic look, blurring distant objects to focus on foreground elements. Experiment with other effects like vignetting or custom shaders to achieve unique visual styles, dramatically enhancing the realism of your Roblox experience. Finally, high-quality assets and optimization are key. Import detailed three-dimensional models, but ensure they have optimized polygon counts to maintain performance. Consistency in art style across all your assets is also important for a cohesive look. While striving for realism, remember to balance visual fidelity with game performance. Efficient scripting and careful asset management will ensure your realistic Roblox world runs smoothly for all players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.